Welcome to the darkest corner of the USSR's hidden torture methods, the steam chambers of silence. Deep beneath secret prisons like the infamous Lubyanka, there were rooms sealed shut. No windows, no sound, only heat. Prisoners were locked in metal chambers where steam would be slowly released. Not enough to kill, just enough to break them. Skin would blister, lungs would tighten, and hope would melt into madness. These weren't torture chambers in the traditional sense. There were no whips or chains, just boiling humidity and psychological warfare. Inside, it was like being trapped in a boiling teapot. Clothes soaked, breathing shallow, no escape. Some prisoners confessed to crimes they never committed just to make it stop. The KGB didn't need bruises. They needed silence. And steam delivered exactly that. It left no marks, but shattered the soul. Documents declassified after the USSR's fall confirm the existence of thermal pressure cells. Code-named rooms designed for non-lethal compliance extraction. In other words, slow psychological breakdown. Many who entered those chambers never spoke of it again. But the truth has leaked like the steam that once tortured the forgotten. For over a decade, our team has been uncovering and exposing the most terrifying truths buried by history's most brutal regimes. From secret police archives to hidden camera footage, we bring you the darkest tales of espionage, brainwashing, and torture. This is the story they never wanted you to hear. If you dare to dig deeper, subscribe to Shadow Files. Every month, we release a new chilling episode. Each one a descent into the heart of historical horror. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what others are saying. I cannot get enough of this show. The production quality is excellent, and the research clearly shows in the final product. Keep up the great work. Patrick Kenyally, this is one of the best shows on a streaming platform. If you like true crime or scary stories, then you have to listen to this podcast. The production quality is superb, and the topics covered are always interesting. Alex Wagner. Shadow Files is the perfect blend of history, mystery, and the macabre. Narrated by an engaging host, it will keep you on the edge of your seat. Highly recommend for fans of true crime and the paranormal. Kyle Williams, and that's not all. For a limited time, you can get 20% off our most popular annual plan. But don't wait. This offer won't last forever. Click the link below to subscribe and get 20% off. Now close your eyes, imagine you're in a dark, dank prison cell. The walls are closing in. You can hear the whispers of prisoners past. Suddenly, the door creaks open and a shadowy figure steps in. "You have been summoned," he says, his voice echoing in the darkness. "It's time to face your past. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and uncover the secrets of Shadow Files today."